Guys, welcome back to zmstrategy.com. This is me, Engage Kamanuel, the CEO of ZM Strategy. And also, if you're new to this channel, can you click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell for more updates in order for you to be getting all our signal. And also, if you're new to this channel, in order for you to be seeing all our trade, all our daily trade, all our weekly trade, our profit and our results so far, you can also subscribe to our Telegram channel. You'll find a link at the description of the video where you can able to see all our result of all our trade, so you can find it at the description of this video. So I'm going to explain to you guys how to take a trade on the trade platform, which is known as the derived platform as well. On this the trade, you can trade on different time frame. You can also trade boom and crash and also other indices on the trade platform. So I want to explain to you guys how to use a good technical analysis to analyze the market perfectly and to take a good entry trade in order for you to be more on profit. So we can also trade boom and crash. You can see there are what we call multipliers, and we can also trade boom and crash here as well. So if you scroll down, you can see there are boom and crash is available on the trade platform. Is available on the trade platform. Now we are going to be analyzing the market and be getting a good entry. Now you can start doing your analysis on the higher time frame, which known as the daily time frame. You can do your analysis there before you go to the lower time frame. You can see this is a analysis which I did here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see when the market get to here, you can see there was a reverse. Now this is on the daily time frame where I draw a support and a resistance line here. You can see the market get to the very spot up to 4 to 5 times, and you can see that the market bounce back. The market have a reverse. The market bounce back. Now you can see that you can do your analysis on the higher time frame before you go to the lower time frame as well. So this is a trade line. You can see there was a reverse here and also there was a reverse here on the trade line. So our trade mostly is going to be on the 5-minute time frame. So let's go to 5-minute time frame. Let's see the chart on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, yes, so what you need to do is to draw a accurate support line. Let's go to another index and see if we can get a good support line to draw. And also we also offer free signal on our Telegram channel, and the free signal you can also use it to trade on both the trade and MT5. Okay, let's see if we can get a good spot to draw our trade line and to take a accurate trade. Okay, so you have to minimize the shots. This is on 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame to see if we can sketch out a support or a resistance line and even a trend line. You can see this is a spot to put in your horizontal line. You can see that the market, you can see there was a reverse at this very spot, so we have taken it as our resistance line, and also here again we are taking it as our support line, and also here again will be our resistance line, which is this. You can see there was a reverse at these two spots, so I've taken it to be support, I've taken it to be resistance line. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 4-hour time frame. Okay, we have to minimize this to see where we can spot. You can see here, you can take care to our trend line, so you can see the movement at the very spot. So you can draw a trade line here. So go to line and put it here. So draw a trade line at this level. You can see we draw a trade line at this level, so draw from here down to this very extent. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see the market on 1 hour time frame. Let's see the market on 1 hour time frame. So oh, I made a mistake just now. Okay, so I can see this is a 1 hour time frame. Now you can also do this trading on your 1 hour time frame as well. When the market get to this trade line, and if, for example, if maybe eventually the market get to this trade line and it touch the trade line, and you notice a reverse, that when the market hit the trade line and the market started going up back, you can enter a buy trade. But if the market break this trade line down and it started going down, you can take a set trade. And for example, if you are using this analyzing for your MP5, it simply means that if the market should break this trade line down, you are going to put a stop loss above trade line. But if the market get to this trade line and it started going up, you are going to put your stop loss below the trade line. So let's go to let's see if we can draw another line here. So we can draw another line here. Okay, let's go to, okay, this is another spot again where you can draw your support line. So we'll get to here, all line, which is your resistance line. You can draw, you can see there was a reverse at these two edge. There was a reverse at that two edge. So let's go to a lower time frame, which is, let's go to a 15-minute time frame to see a good spot where we can take our trade. So here's it, where we can take our trade. Now what we need to do, this is on 15-minute time frame. We can also wait for the market to get to here before we take a trade. So let's check 5-minute time frame to see. So let's check 5-minute time frame to see. Okay, this on 5-minute time frame, and they are all pointy and the same. So this is another edge to draw a good trade line. Also, so come to line here, so put it at this edge, so take this down. Okay, you can see, so this we have gotten another good entry spot. So if the candlestick get to here, I will notice, and we notice a reverse, we are going to take a trade. So we are going to be trading on the rise and fall. So I think I'm going to be taking on 5-minute time frame. So we'll take this to 5 minutes, take this to 5 minutes, take this to 5 minutes. So take this to 5-minute time frame. So I was taking, let's say I was taking $10 for this trade. So you can see that the market is getting close to there. It's getting close to there. So I'll be right back. Let's wait for the market to hit it, then let's take our trade. I'll be right back. Okay, you can see that it have gotten to this line and we are noticing a reverse. I'm doing this trading on high and lower using barriers. So okay, I'm going to be taking a trade here. You can see I've taken, here is it. You can see that the trade is going on. You can see, here is it. You can see that the market get to, let me zoom this for you guys to understand what is actually going on. You can see that when the market get to here, you can see that there was a reverse. I can see that there was a reverse. So that is why I take a buy trade, because I get to the trend line that we draw, I will notice a reverse here. So that's why I've taken a buy trade. So I'm going to close this trade and wait for the market to pull through. So I'll be right back. So let me just leave the trade to run to see what's going to happen. And see that the market is going on profit because it was not able to break the trend line that we have drawn. So let's see how it's going to happen. Okay. So the market is going on. I think I'm going to pause this so that the video will not be very long. So immediately the trade I've put through, I will get back to you guys. Okay, can see that we'll just have 22 minutes to go for the trade to put through. You can see that is the trade line that we draw. You can see that it's working accurately. I'm having some network challenge, so you can see you just have some few minutes to go for the amount to put through in order for us to be on profit. You can see here's it. So boom, you can see we are on profit. We are on profit. I'm having some network challenge currently, but you can see that the trade has put through, but I'm having some network challenge. So I'll be right. Okay, you can see as it have put through the network. You can see one. I'm having some little network challenge at this moment. So you can see that everything has put through. You can see that the trade line and the support line that we draw is working accurately. So you can see our balance here. You can see 1580.86. So that is, guys. You can see this. I can draw your support line and a resistance line to be taking a successful trade. And also, if you are new to the channel, once again, can you click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification for more updates. So bye for now. I'll see you guys in my new video. So bye for now.